Hello, everyone. It is Jenn Winger once again, and I am sitting down with the ever so fabulous David Bryant, who is a Senior Director of Marketing for the Java platform. Hello, David.
Hi, Jen.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Good. That's awesome. So we are here to talk a little bit about JavaOne. You know, it's coming up in a couple weeks. Want to get your thoughts on what are some of the things you're most excited to go check out, learn about, see, finally tell the world about, things like that.
Sure. So personally, I'm excited about the greater degree of interactivity we're going to have at JavaOne this year. JavaOne's always been about meeting and networking and hearing what people are working on, but a lot of that has been sort of informal in the hallways. And this year at JavaOne, we're making a much greater effort to have that be a broad part of the JavaOne experience. So in particular, people come by and see us in the pavilion, we'll have a lot more opportunities to sit down and open up our laptops and share code and talk about what's going on. So I'm looking forward to a lot more interactivity and sharing and actually working on things collaboratively with people who have great ideas and are coming to JavaOne to share them with us. So
that's awesome.
And
I know it's going to be a lot of fun. I can't wait for people to see the Utopia and all its glory. So another good thing that we are working on, we're going to have This Ain't Your Dad's Java live from JavaOne. So can you talk a little bit about what we are planning to do with our podcast?
Sure. I haven't actually done this before, using JavaOne as a platform for what we're doing with the podcast. But the idea is we'll be recording Ain't Your Dad's Java podcast on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday at noon in the media booth at JavaOne. And we'll be having those podcasts with special guests from several of our key partners, Orange and Sony Ericsson and Sprint in particular. So we'll use those opportunities to record podcasts and talk to them about JavaOne from their perspective, why they're there, what they're working on, a lot of the things collaboratively happen in between us and them. So it should be a great opportunity for people to come. They can watch us record the podcast if that's an interesting thing to do. And then they'll be able to listen to it both on our regular iTunes distribution channel as well as on Blog Talk Radio.
Yeah, so it's going to be fun. Live recording, it's always, you always capture the stuff on the fly. So
well, it's always a live recording when we do the podcast.
But
this time it'll be sort of live recording in theater at the same time. So we'll see how it works out.
All right. Well, I will touch back with you next week when we can talk a little bit more about Utopia and some of the things that we have going on there. But any last words for our loyal viewers on the World Wide Web?
No, I look forward to talking to you and telling you more next week. There's lots of things going on we can't quite talk about yet, but some exciting stuff happening at JavaOne. Hopefully we can share a little bit more later and then get people together and go over when we're there in 2 weeks.
That's true. All right, David, I'll talk to you soon.
Thanks, Jen.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.